Hi guys, this is a second video for class 9. In my earlier video, if you can recall, in Introduction to Economics, I had discussed with you definition of economics, micro and macroeconomics, types of activities, sectors in an economy, basic economic terms, entities. These were the things which you get to study when you are in class 9 and you're studying economics for the first time. Here I'm discussing for class 9. Uh, Class 9 I'm going to discuss with you the second part which you actually study, which is class 9 economics. Okay, and this topic is called types of economies. See, types types of economies. Okay, now you must have by now been familiar, you must have become familiar, like what is an economy, what are we terming, what thing do we call economy. So any country which is in itself, taking care of its resources, uh, any country is an economy. Now based on certain, you know certain conditions, we actually define what kind of economy a country is, or what kind of nature, economic nature a country has, and based on that we define the types of economies. So number one, and there can be, other ways also of defining an economy. So what you're going to study in types of economies, if I consider the first factor, is we define an economy on the basis of nature. What is that called in your syllabus? It's called on the basis of nature. What does this mean, on the basis of nature? This means that, the way the system is actually operating, the way a country regulates its system in terms of economics. So on the basis of nature means, like, a country can be called a capitalist, a capitalist economy. Capitalist, mark these words, these are going to be very important later in syllabus. Capitalist economy, this can be one. Okay, a country can also be a socialist economy. Now see, this is a brief video about the syllabus, otherwise I would have explained to you these terms in details, which I am going to do in later videos. But let me just put to you what you need to know is, so second you need to know is socialist. Okay, this is all as per your class 9 ICSC syllabus. Socialist economy. The third thing which you need to know is, what is a mixed economy? MIXED, mixed economy. Okay, so now these are three kinds of economies which you study on the basis of nature. Okay, and mind it, mixed economy, the syllabus says that you have to define this, or you have to understand this with reference to India. Okay, so there's this part also, with reference to India. Okay, this is very important, because if you are studying what is a capitalist economy, you have to know what kind of, which country is a capitalist economy. If you are talking about socialist economy, you have to say which is socialist. Mixed economy, you have to study, and you have to uh, study with reference to India. And also you have to know the meaning and differences between all of these. Perhaps you have to know meaning, that this is the first thing, meaning, and also the differences. Okay, differences. This all, this is types of economies on the basis of nature, that is what kind of system a country prefers to follow. Next we move on to another, way of defining an economy is on the basis of development. On the basis of development. Okay, now what does this mean, and how is it different from what we have just, discussed above? See, the nature, on the basis of nature, we have said a country can be a capitalist, socialist, or a mixed economy. Now here, on the basis of development means that we can say that a country is developed. Okay, developed, it's a developed economy. Or we can say a developing economy. Okay, this versus developing economy. As I have mentioned in my earlier videos on economics, that if you are studying economics, one good part about economics is that the words which are used to describe several things are very simple, and if you actually look into the word, this is developed and this is developing, so the words will tell you, half the answer you have in the words which describe you to use a certain economic term or a factor. So developed economy, one which is developed. Developing is which is still in process of becoming a developed economy now. But what I have said is just, you see, it's just a very minimal, a very basic thing which I am discussing with you. In later videos we will discuss. So this is what you have to study when you study, on the basis of development. And the third thing, and here also you have to know meaning of both of these, meaning and also the differences. Okay, this is very important. So see, each step you are actually preparing an answer for yourself. And the third part which you study under this section is economic growth and development. Very, very important. Economic, let's put it, economic growth and development, right? Again, as we have taken in the above two parts, here also we have to know the meaning and differences between the two. Meaning and differences between which two? Yeah, okay, yeah, meaning and differences between growth and development. So let me just recall for you what we have discussed so far. This is types of economies, as we discuss. So types of economies can actually be understood on the basis of nature, that is, what kind of system a country or an economy is actually following. Can it be a capitalist, a socialist? It can be a capitalist, a socialist, or a mixed economy. And when you say mixed economy, you have to study this with reference to India, with India as a reference. Meaning and differences. Second, you have to understand what is an economy on the basis of development, whether an economy is developed or developing, the meaning and differences. And the third part you have to study here is economic growth and development, meaning and differences. So this is all we have in the second part of your class 9. So we will have more videos where we will discuss all of these in much more detail. Thanks for watching. You may like, share.